Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, and it is Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And before anything else, kung gusto niyo ang video na to, paki-like na lang po. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your cold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are taking a look at Madulas. Pero bago yon, some life update muna tayo. So yeah, I have ordered the Steam Deck OLED. It was between the ROG Ally X or the Steam Deck OLED. Pero tingin ko, I will want to be more part of the Steam side of things, considering na yung Steam machine ay lalabas na, and that will eventually replace my PC in the future. Also, to add more to the context, I am planning to record my future reviews using the Steam Deck moving forward. I don't know how, pero I'm looking up on videos on how to use OBS using Steam Deck. And yeah, I think it's gonna be interesting on the future of my planet. Future of this channel. Sorry, planet tuloy. Yeah, so without further ado, let's go to the latest BMX movie offering. It is Madulas. So ano yung Madulas na yan? What is slippery? Di ba slippery yung ano? Yung English ng madulas? Okay. So, sabi nga, di ba, may mga punto na namimiss natin yung lumang BMX, lumang Viva Max. And Madulas is like a callback to one of those movies. Remember 5 in 1, where Wilbert Ross took on 5 different women. That was peak. That was very fun to watch. It was arousing. Well, this one, Marco Mora is tackling on the same role. Even though 5 in 1, 5, yung babae doon 5, dito yung babae ay 4. And they are played by, say natin, Astrid Lee, siya si Isabela, Sheena Dizon, siya si Dadalia, Rhea Montemayor, siya si Lira, and Liana Rosales, siya si Mira, Marco Mora is Jason, Chester Grecia is Arnold. So nagsimula ang pelikula to na si Arnold saka si Mira ay nagtatalik, si Arnold ay isang pool boy, nasisante siya ni Isabela, at dahil doon kailangan ni Isabela ng kapalit ni Arnold. Ang pinalitan kay Arnold ay itong si Jason. Ikaw na bahala dyan, Jason. Di ba yung sabi ni ni Jake Cuenca? Okay, so yeah, we're going to have Jason be the focus of this story. It is your typical harem hentai bold movie kung saan sinolo niya yung 4 na babae. So, first scene, Lira and Jason, which is by far my favorite scene. I'm seeing Lira. Rhea Montemayor. Di ko alam kung sila eh. Nami-mistake ko sa isa eh. So, with yung kanyang gown with the black bra, it is very enticing. It is very sexy. And this sex scene is very sexy itself. Kaso, kailangan mo ma-escape from realism dito eh. Kasi ang daming natutulog sa dorm. Tapos yung dalawa nagtatalik, as ang ingay ng babae. Umuungol pa. Ba't hindi ka nagigising? Ba't di kayo nagigising sa ungol? Ewan ko na lang. Pero, pretty much, yun. Next is the Dahlia. Si Sheena Dizon. So, si Dahlia, siya yung bossing ni Lira. Si Mira ay parang bisita lang ata dito. Okay. So, si Dahlia, very timid, pero may tinatagong kink. And she is the second one na napurnada nitong ni Jason. 2 beses niya pinurnada si Dahlia. isa sa dorm, and nag-second round sila sa pool. Yung pool scene dito sa Madulas, medyo hirap sila. I think hindi sila yung tipong sa muling pagbabalik ni Rica Paralejo, Sunny Bernard Palanca, yung nagtalik sila underwater. Dito hirap sila eh. ABD air control. Pero, ayun, it happened. There's a full seg scene in this movie. I like it. Creativity. Plus points. Okay. And just by this point of the movie, I already squirted. I already gooned. So, yeah, it's peak. Okay? I like the movie. Ito yung mga take. It's like when Viva Max went to anti-harem territory. It's like a callback to 5-in-1. Diba? Na-miss ko yung 5-in-1 where Wilbert Ross just soloed 5 different girls. Marco Mora soloed 4 different girls this time. No, technically 3 kasi hindi niya nakatalik si Mira. Pero niligtas niya si Mira sa whole incident na scripted pala. And then we go to Isabela. Siya yung bossing ng resort, ng Wet and Wild Resort, kung saan nagtatrabaho si Jason as a pool boy. So si Jason at saka si Isabela, nagkakadevelopan sila. Una, binigyan ni Isabela ng sapatos si Jason dahil naawa siya. At kasi maganda yung backstory eh. Nagtutulungan sila ng kapatid niya, mabuhay, naawa, na in love itong si Isabela. And then, nagtalik sila 2 beses. 2 beses ba? Oo, isa sa rooftop, o isa sa kwarto ni Isabela. Yung pagiging masungit ni Isabela, unti-unti naging mellow nung nakilala niya si Jason. Then Jason had his grand plan. Yung parang homecoming. Inimbitan niya yung 3 babae na nakatalig niya sa resort plus si Mira, yung niligtas niya. And to a grand party daw na hindi alam ng mga babae na imbitado sila sa isa't isa. Alam lang nila magkikipagkita sila kay Jason pero hindi nila alam na invited si ganito at si ganyan. And yeah, since andun na silang 5, Jason sa kay 4 na babae, nagkiskisan silang 5 and for 7 minutes, puro pagtatalik lang nakita ko. And I enjoyed it. Pati yung babae nag-aalikan, mga lalaki nag-aalikan, lalaki, wala pala lalaki dito, nag-aalikan. And so, mukhang happy ending naman. And then we got the full plot twist ng pelikula. Okay, may plot twist dito. So, it turns out na si Chester Gracia, si Arnold, siya pala yung kuya ni Jason. And si Jason, insider. At habang pinagod niya yung babae at napatulog na sila sa pagod kakatalik kay Jason, ito naman si Jason, kinuha niya yung kayamanan ng resort. Pati yung alahas ni Isabela, yun. At ninakawan niya, na-onsihan niya si Isabela. At bali si Jason, nakasakay ng kotse si Arnold, nakakotse, pinick up niya si Jason, and the movie ends. Yun ang reason kaya ang movie ay tinawag ng Madulas. Kasi si Jason ay mailap, madulas, sadyang mapangahas. I'm telling you, this movie is peak. If the tier list is still here, I will rate it Will Bang okay. Yeah, it's Will Bang okay. Will Bang okay. And yeah, that's your Viva Max movie for this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, Friday ulit yung pelikula Akin ang Gabi. Okay. Kailan yung Balahibong Pusa? Na-delay na naman ba? Nakakainis na. We got also Next Room Affair on November 25, Tuesday. So, yun. Tapos na pala lahat ng mga ng aking November 17. There's also Tuesday Feels So Tawawa. No, that's a Japanese, parang parang Tagalog na pelikula eh. Sorry, that's a Japanese movie, so we're not reviewing it. So yeah, we're going to go back here in this channel on Tuesday. And then November 28 ba? Yeah, November 28, we will finally see the return of Catper Balahibong Pusa, the remake. I've been waiting for this for a long time. This is your boy Harriet telling you goodbye and good night. Bye.